welcome to Kids Create. I'm Lauren, and this is my sister,
Nora.
And today, we're unboxing another slime kit. Guess what it's called? Elmer's Confetti Slime Kit. So let's get this video started. In this kit, it includes two confetti slime activators and two glues. One metallic dark blue glue and one Elmer's clear glue. So let's unbox it. Pause. All right, here's the first glue. This is a dark blue metallic. I'm gonna do it. The next glue is a clear glue. And then we have two of these activators. Let's make it. In the activators is just normal activator and then confetti. All right, first step is to pour glue in the bowl. Let's start. Activator time. We better mix it to get the confetti ready.
We're using these.
All right, mine's ready. So now we're gonna pour about a teaspoon worth and mix it in with our glue until the slime forms.
Teaspoons.
Whoa, it looks so pretty with the clear glue. That's actually really cool. This is so pretty. I like using clear glue. Ooh, and it's sticking off. I think this one's a lot easier to do. What I really like about Elmer's slime kits is everyone I use, there's just activator and glue, and I love their activator because it's magic liquid, so I don't need to add anything else besides activator and glue. Time to start kneading. I'm gonna use this.
Go ahead.
I'm done kneading, and it's really cool. When I started kneading, it was like really gross and chunky, but now it's like the confetti kind of hurts. I think I need a little more kneading, and then it will be slime. Me and my sister just made the perfect Elmer's confetti slime. They are so beautiful and so much fun to play with, and they were really easy to make. So if you want to get this slime, make sure there will be a link in the description. Also, make sure to like and subscribe if you liked watching. Bye! Bye!